We all have a brain, so we all have mental health.
So resilience is the ability to bounce back from a situation, right? To gather yourself after something traumatic has happened.
First biggest life transition has been going into middle school.
What are some go-to positive coping strategies?
Actually journaling for a very long time.
I love having dance parties in my room alone.
The positive of that situation, again, once that, when you're in a situation like that, it's impossible for you to say, like, I'm really excited that I'm going through this because I think it's going to make me stronger. You're like, no, this stinks. I hate not having friends and feeling this way. I want to feel better. But